Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Who doesn't love a little friendly competition? I want to show you this gorgeous wooden tic-tac-toe game from BSIRI that can spark a little bit of competition in your house. This set is absolutely beautiful. I love the color and the wood grain on this little set. It is really well made and durable and definitely built to last. And I love that it is a nice, small, compact size, so it's perfect for travel or even just keeping it in your home. It's not going to take up a lot of space. Each of these pieces is sanded beautifully. They're so smooth. They feel awesome. And this is just the perfect little thing to keep out on your coffee table, to spark a conversation, to spark a little friendly competition, and it is so much fun. So I love this game because it's a total classic and everybody knows how to play it, even little kids. So no matter who you're spending time with, you can bring a little bit of joy and a little bit of smile to their face by playing this game together. So I absolutely love this little game because it's a great way to interact with your friends and family, no matter what age they are, and it's absolutely beautiful. You can use this as a decor piece. It's going to be a conversation starter, and of course, it's just fun to play. So if you're looking for a little beautiful decor item that doubles as a super fun game, then I would definitely recommend this little set from BSIRI, and that's my point of view.